Okay, so today I'm going to be playing Itsy Spider on piano, and it's going to be a simple tutorial. So let's get started. So like for the tutorial, you're going to put your thumb right here, and you can put your pointer finger. So the middle, the thumb goes on C, and then the pointer finger goes on D, and the middle finger goes on E. So on the other hand, you're gonna put your forefinger on another C, D, and E. The third finger goes on D and E for your left hand. So this is how it's supposed to sound. Okay, so basically, usually I really get confused sometimes because these are C, D, and E, and it's actually E, F, and G. So it's actually supposed to, it's actually supposed to sound like this. So I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial. So come on, let's get into it. So basically you're gonna play C. So you're basically gonna play like this. So you're gonna do 3 C's, and then you're gonna go by D, and then you're gonna go by E and E, like 2 E's, so 3 C's, one D, and 2 E's. And then there's a part where you have to play different notes, where it's pretty hard, a little bit hard, or should I say it's simple? Well, it goes like this. So usually I mess up too. Well, let's try this again. Okay, I'm just gonna try it a different way. So it's supposed to sound like this for now. And then if you want to play slow or fast, if you want to, you can for the tutorial. And I'm playing on fast. So you're gonna go on the left hand, you're gonna switch quickly to your left hand. Well, you're gonna have to put both of your hands on the keyboard so you know you're ready for the left hand to play. So you're gonna do 2 E's like on this part, but this time it's in the front. So you're gonna go like this. So no, not really. So we're gonna go like this. So you're gonna do 2 E's and 1 F and 2 G's, just like 3, but it's different because there's 2 E's and there's 3 C's, and you're basically gonna wanna be careful on this one because it's a little bit more harder than this one, because you're gonna have to use your left hand. The left hand is pretty hard to do with this one. Usually I messed up when I first played it, and it was pretty confusing. So let's try this now. So basically you're gonna want to play F, E, F, G. Then you're gonna press E, and then you're gonna do C, C, C again. Repeat for this. Repeat, and then there's gonna be a G, G right there at the end of it, and then it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing as this. So we're just gonna go through this real quick. And then you're gonna do a G, G, which is right here. And then you're gonna do it again. And then you're gonna go like. So basically that is how you play Itsy Spider. So this is the whole song right here, and that's it for the video.